Hey friends, this is it Zowill or Zowill DK07 smart lock instructions. So someone was asking about it and I thought I would upload this for them, so I was able to find it. Let me turn on my light real quick. That light was making a glare, so that's page 2. There's that page. Step 3. Step 4 here. Step 4 continued. Hope I'm going slow enough, if not just pause the video. Programming instructions. Pairing your lock. Passcode management. App lock unlock. Adding fingerprints. The E keys. Got faded there. There we go. All right. Okay. Last couple pages here. Don't know if you need this or not. Probably not, but why not? I'll just send it up anyways. And there you have it. Okay, I hope this is helpful, and take care.